Today I want to talk about this. When do you use ni to mark locations and when do you not use ni? We know that ni is used to mark locations. But there are cases when you do not use this ni. Okay. So this question, 猫はどこですか? Where is the cat? Ask for a location. And then you can use this 猫は机の上にいます. This kind of answer. Okay. So 机の上 is the location. And then you attach the particle に to indicate that is a location. And then you use the verb います. Okay. You can also answer using this B2. 机の上です. So 机の上 is the location, and then you attach the copula です or linking verb です. So when do we use ni and when we do not use ni? If you use an ordinary verb like います, you need a particle, in this case ni. If you use copula like です, then you don't use a particle. In this case, you don't need to use the particle ni. So let's look at other examples. So 何時に学校に行きますか? So you learn this. So what time do you go to school? And then you can answer 8時に学校に行きます. So your answer is at 8 o'clock I go to school. So this 8 o'clock, the time is marked with the particle ni. You can use this kind of sentences too. So if you ask a question, 今何時ですか? What time is it? Instead of using an ordinary verb like 行きます, here you use the copula です. Okay? And then you can answer using this です. So 今8時です. So this です directly attaches to the time phrase, not having any ni. Okay. We can see more examples. So どこで日本語を勉強しますか? So this means where do you study Japanese? And then the particle being used is で because 勉強します is an activity, and to mark the place of activity, then you need to use で. And then you can answer うちで勉強します. So at home I study. Okay. You can use this to answer similar questions. So if somebody says どこで勉強しますか? or どこで日本語を勉強しますか? You can answer うちです. Okay. This うちです is actually saying そこはうちです。勉強するところ the place where you study is うちです. Okay. And then the shortest form is just うち, right? And in English, you can say that too. If somebody says, where do you study Japanese? Well, you can say home. And then you can still understand, oh, that you meant at home. Okay. So, getting back to the original question, 猫はどこですか? 猫はどこにいますか? So the question is, where is the cat? Okay, or where does the cat exist? いますか is an ordinary verb. Okay. 猫は机の上にいます. So you can answer 猫 is on top of the desk or table. You can also use this to answer. So you can say 机の上です. Okay. This second type of answering actually can be used. So noun plus this can be used to answer any question. Okay. So if you're not sure in real communication, you can always use this form. Well, in real communication, you don't even have to say this desu. You can just say the noun, right? 机の上 right? 猫はどこですか、ね、机の上 You can say that. どこで勉強しますか Where do you study? 図書館 Library. You can say something like that. But we are learning something more than just using nouns to answer to questions. So in our online app, you are required to use the pattern of using ordinary verbs instead of using noun plus this. So the app doesn't accept your answer if you use noun plus this. That's only because I want you to use more complex sentences to answer questions than just this simple way. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.